Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to show you how to play From My Window on acoustic guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. Alright, to play this song you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. You're going to need 3 chords. First one being C. That's X, 3, 2, open, 1, open. That's kind of how it sounds. Then you're just gonna switch down to A minor. So all you're doing is moving your ring finger. That's it. You can still mute that top E string, but so C to A minor. A minor is just X open 2 2 1 open. X open 2 2 1 open. And then just down to E minor, so open 2 2 open open open. C, A minor, E minor. That's it, super easy. Have fun playing along to it. Let me know some other songs you want to hear down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.